Okay, so this is a quick video about expansions, and expansions always involve brackets. So the word expansion means really to get rid of the brackets. So here's an example of what we might see in a question. 5 times, and we've got x plus 2 in the brackets, and our aim is to get rid of those brackets. So what is 5 times x plus 2? Well, it's 5 times everything in those brackets, x plus 2. Now I always use arrows to help me expand. So I do 5 lots of the first term, so 5 times x. And then I use another arrow for the second term, 5 times 2, which is 10. Okay, so here's another question. We've got 2 brackets, y plus 5. Okay, so what does that actually mean? It means 2 times everything inside that bracket, which is y plus 5. So now let's use our arrows. So 2 times the first term, which gives us 2y. And our second arrow gives us 2 times 5, which is 10. And that's our answer, 2y plus 10. Let's try a slightly harder example this time. So if you can do the first two, fabulous. Now let's try this second one. I've got 3 brackets, x minus 2. Okay, so what does that mean? It means 3 times everything inside that bracket, and there's a little bit of a trick, which is that minus. So let's write it out. 3 times everything inside that bracket, and then use our arrows. So 3 lots of x, and then 3 lots of 2, but it's a special 2, it's a negative 2. So 3 times negative 2 equals negative 6. And I've just made a mistake, looks like a little divide sign, so let's get rid of that. So 3x minus 6. And now for some super hard ones. Let's see how we go. I've got 3 brackets, x plus 2 plus 2x. Okay, so let's write it out. I've got 3 times x plus 2, and then I've just got a plus 2x there. So the 2x is not affected by that 3 because it's not inside the brackets. So now let's use our rainbow. So 3 times x gives me 3x, and 3 times 2 gives me 6, and the 2x just pops down onto the next line. Now, this type of question is going to give an expand and simplify instruction. So we're going to simplify by getting our like terms together. So 3x plus 2x gives us 5x plus 6. And that's our answer. Okay, one last one, which is a little trickier still. I've got 2x outside the brackets, and then inside the brackets I've got x plus 1. Alright, so what does this mean? Well, it's 2x times by x plus 1. So 2x times by everything inside the brackets. So 2x times x. Now, what happens here when we've got an x times an x? Well, we get an x squared. And then 2x times 1 gives us 2x. Well done.